Oh, this is pretty.
Hi, how are you?
How much for the dog?
Do you like lots of barking?
Hi.
Say a buck.
A buck? Sold. Well, good morning. It's 6:26. Birds are chirping. Sun is shining. It is freezing. You know what that means? It's yard sale time. I am on my way to Delaware, the great state of Delaware, to Harry Humstone country, because there's a big community yard sale at 8 a.m. and another yard sale at 7, another one at 7:30. So maybe I will see Harry. It's going to be a smashing time. Let's see what we can find. Good morning. Am I at the right place?
Yeah. This is the senior building. Everybody just ain't got up yet.
Okay.
Because we're supposed to have like 16 tables. You see, they just...
Okay, I got you.
Anything in particular you was looking for?
Mainly video games, but I don't know if I'm at the right place for that.
Look, that was seniors.
Pretty cool, though.
Most of these sheets are queen.
Okay. Would you do 10 for these?
Huh?
Would you do 10 for this?
Yeah, I take 10.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I'll be back for like in half an hour. See if they wake up.
Okay.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
So you know how Matt from Part-Time Pickers says you gotta be the first one there? Apparently not if it's a senior citizen run yard sale, because it's supposed to start at 7 a.m. I got here at 7 a.m. There's supposed to be like 10 tables set up, and only one person is here because the rest of them are still sleeping and didn't set their tables up yet. So I guess there's a little caveat to that rule.
I like your GoPro.
Thank you.
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's the name?
Give you a card.
Okay.
Alright.
I hope I won't be in it though. Block my face.
How much are your glass bottles over
Which one?
there? Yeah, a whole box full of them over there.
For
Right
which
here.
one? Oh.
These Coke.
I I've seen it.
You seen me before, really?
Yeah. And I thought it was Cincinnati. Think of
Oh,
yeah.
All of them,
yeah.
just $1 each.
$1 each?
Or if you want to do the whole box, we can pick a number.
Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. There's 16 here.
16, so if we just say 10 for the whole box.
I'll do that. Is somebody making a pile somewhere?
Yeah. We had more of them because they found them. We grew up part of we had a house in North Carolina, and so we used all the old soda pop.
Oh, really? That's...
There's some back from the turn of the century. Those are the crazy, but I can't seem to find. I didn't seem to find them.
Now, these are great.
Hey, cash man.
Yep.
50 cents.
Okay. I want to get rid of it.
Hi.
I would have given them. I got plenty of quarters.
How much is your tea cart?
The tea cart?
Yes.
$3.
I'm sorry?
$3.
I'll have to take it for $3. Yes, I put it. I moved the dining room.
That's good. Let's see. So that's 1, 2. What did we say? That was $10.
Yep.
So if you just want to say 20 and we're good.
Works for me. No change needed. I like it. I'll be right back for the other.
Okay.
For anything. Thank you so much.
Oh, this is pretty. Hi, how are you?
How much for the dog?
Do you like lots of barking?
Hi.
Say $1.
A buck? Sold. I just got a husky puppy, so she would probably eat her alive.
Oh, so you want a food? Okay.
Oh, Perry. She licked me and ran away.
If you put batteries in it, it shakes and it says
Oh.
I forget what it says.
Shaking cow. Love it.
No, you got
It says moo. What are the odds? How much are your plushies?
they're $1.
Okay. Okay. I'll take these 4.
Okay.
Well, I'll keep searching now.
All right.
I'll make a pile right here. You sure? Awesome.
Well, I'll put the attack weenie on them.
Yep. Yeah, she's guarding something else. How much are the Revere pots?
Awesome.
Which one?
The Revere ones? These three?
And how many take him? Those two?
And three.
Those three?
Yeah.
$5.
Okay. I'll add it. $9. Right?
$9.
You have $1? Uh-oh. Better get out before she gets feisty.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Might be the food comment. You're
Oh yeah, that could be why. Yeah. I'll be back for the plush.
None of them have the batteries. No batteries. But I get them on Amazon. Generic version. Because Ryobi doesn't make them. Ryobi batteries were too expensive anyway. The thing we liked about the Ryobi was it was lightweight. It was not so heavy. The other ones are too heavy. Yes, that one's nice and light, even with the battery. Because the battery's only 18 volts. Like my brother has a 40-volt blower, which would pretty much blow your arm off. And I got to do that with two hands. So that's too heavy, that battery. Those are those big, I think, carriage bolts, those are called, carriage bolts.
That empty? Sure.
Thank you very much.
Have a good one.
Enjoy.
Sorry? I don't sew. The Keurig would have been good, but I bought one last week. You have any more Pokemon stuff? Or?
No, I don't. That's pretty.
About any like video games or anything like that?
Yeah, video games.
Yes,
Of course.
I'm still a kid at heart.
You're still a kid at heart.
Don't let the size fool you.
I don't have any video games.
That's fine. Come on. Why? So I have 3 on here, 2 on here. And these are 50 cents each. Right?
Yep.
3. So $2, $5, $8.
Break it up.
How much are your mugs? You do 5 for the whole thing?
Yeah, those I don't understand. Are these, my son had these. Are they?
Oh, they're for
help
the
you with it?
they're for the game, yeah. Do you actually have the games or just the
No,
books?
he took the games. That I
Took the
was
games? What a jerk.
He was probably screaming every time he was playing any of those games.
They actually like their big bags. They're great.
Take whatever
Oh,
you
free bag. Let's do it.
want. Maybe one heavy one. You want one with a handle on it?
Oh, nice, Andy. We're good. Thank you.